President comes with new improvements to CB Berry radios. They are not only limited to its functions but also to the design and ergonomics of the radio. Some keys and buttons have moved or new ones have appeared for additional functions and for better user accessibility. By using an updated technology that guarantees unprecedented quality, President Berry 2 is a new step in personal communication and is the best choice for the most demanding CB radio users. It doesn't matter if you use it daily on the truck you work on or you use it only on the weekends on your personal car, President Berry 2 is for all users. The station is powered at 12 or 24 volts. The power cord can be connected directly to the vehicle battery and through the cigarette lighter socket. The phone fast charging USB provides 5 volts and 2.1 amps, and it's one of the most useful features in Berry 2. Berry 2 maintains all the features, functions and filters that made it a top CB station, such as multifunctional multicolor screen, manual and automatic squelch, TOT, talkback, Roger beep, ANL and NB. One of the additions of the new model is the Vox function that makes President Berry 2 a station extremely adaptable to any situation for any users.